Welcome to WebStylePress. ChatGPT is as good as you are with your prompting skills. Provide good prompt, get good response. As simple as that. We use ChatGPT to get things explained most of the time. If you want something explained using ChatGPT, there are different ways of asking for explanation as well. This is one of the prompt engineering lessons in ChatGPT so that you can get the best of ChatGPT in less time. Let me give you some example. For speed, I will use ChatGPT 3. First one is simple. Type explain and then type actual keyword or topic that needs explanation. For example, explain topic, keyword or term. Explain data science. Data science is my keyword or topic or key phrase. And here is the explanation for the topic of data science. Explain topic. Okay, then we can ask ChatGPT to explain something clearly, like explain topic, keyword or term clearly. If you ask ChatGPT to explain something clearly, it will strive to provide an explanation that is easy to understand and free of ambiguity or confusion. This means using simple language and avoiding jargon or technical terms unless they are necessary to convey the meaning of the topic. It will also organize the response in a logical manner that presents the information in a step-by-step or sequential fashion. So, explain data science clearly. And here's the simple and concise explanation. Then, explain the topic uniquely. Explain data science uniquely. If you ask ChatGPT to explain something uniquely, it will attempt to provide an explanation that is creative and innovative and perhaps offers a new perspective or insight on the topic. It may draw on examples or analogies that are not commonly used in traditional explanations, or it may approach the topic from a different angle that challenges conventional thinking. Then we can use something like explain topic in detail. Explain data science in detail. If you ask ChatGPT to explain something in detail, it will provide a comprehensive and thorough explanation that covers all relevant aspects of the topic. This may involve breaking down complex concepts into smaller, more digestible parts and providing specific examples or case studies to illustrate key points. It will also likely provide additional context and background information to ensure a complete understanding of the topic at hand. Then we can say something like explain topic with examples. Explain data science with examples. In this case, response will include examples like here we have a list of examples like e-commerce, healthcare, finance, example from marketing, example from sports. Sports teams use data science to analyze player performance and develop winning strategies, etc. We can also mix the prompt, like explain topic in detail with the examples. Here we asked ChatGPT to explain the topic in detail and provide examples. Best to get maximum information about any topic. Then if you want to explain something to a kid, you can say something like explain topic like I am 5. This will generate simple response that will be geared towards a very basic understanding of the topic. It will use simple language and short sentences to explain the concept in a way that is easy to understand for a child. It may also use analogies to help illustrate the concept. Then we can say something like explain topic to fifth grader. You see here, explain data science like I'm 5. Data science is like a magic trick where we can use big piles of numbers and information to help us learn new things and solve problems. But here, explain data science to a fifth grader. Data science is like being a detective, but instead of solving mysteries, we use math and computers to learn new things from information and numbers. If you ask to explain something to a fifth grader, a response will be more detailed and comprehensive than if you were 5 years old. ChatGPT will still use simple language, but it will also include additional information and examples to help the student understand the concept in a more sophisticated way. It may also use analogies or real world examples to help make the concept more relatable. Then you can say something like explain topic like person, some specific person or personality, like explain computers like Steve Jobs. See, computers are like bicycles for the mind, just like how bicycles help us go faster and farther. Computers help us think and create more efficiently. Steve Jobs was known for his ability to simplify complex ideas and make them accessible to everyone. So, if Steve Jobs were to explain computers, he might say something like this. So, if you ask to explain something like a specific person, response will be more in style of that person. For example, in case of Steve Jobs, response will be creative and innovative than a traditional explanation. It may use a more storytelling or narrative approach to help explain the concept in a way that is engaging and memorable. It may also draw on analogies or examples from Steve Jobs' life or work to help illustrate the concept. Then explain topic to high school student. Now here we have more details. Data science is a field that combines statistics, computer science, and domain-specific knowledge to extract insights and knowledge from data. Data acquisition. Data science involves several key steps: data acquisition, data cleaning and pre-processing, data analysis, data interpretation and communication, and so on. If you ask to explain something to a high school student, response will be more detailed and technical than if you were 5 years old or in 5th grade. It will assume a higher level of knowledge and understanding of the topic and may use more specialized language and terms to explain the concept. It will still aim to make the explanation accessible and easy to understand, but it may also provide more in-depth explanations and examples to help the student understand the topic at a deeper level. So you see, you can ask about same topic but generate different response depending on your requirement. ChatGPT is a complex system that needs some sort of context to make the response useful. This was a prompt engineering lesson on just one thing. Prompt templates used in the video are in the video description. I will share more videos on advanced prompt engineering related to many areas of expertise, so stay tuned for that. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.